Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok features missing. So for example, you have two phones or a phone of your friend, and that one friend does have a certain TikTok feature and you just don't. Then in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that, because this is basically just a bug or you have just something not installed yet. So I have 3 easy ways to fix this. And the first thing what we're actually going to do is open the TikTok app, going into our profile and then going to the top right corner of our screen and clicking on those 3 little stripes. And then we want to click on settings and privacy. Now what we're going to do is we are going to scroll down till you find free up space right here where you want to click on. And what you want to make sure to do is you want to click on clear downloads just like this. But you also want to make sure to click on clear cache just like this. And it will just completely clear the cache over on your TikTok app. And sometimes this will just fix if you're having certain bugs with your TikTok, and this could also include features missing from TikTok. Now the second thing you might actually want to try and do is head over to your homepage and you want to search for App Store. I have mine right here. Because sometimes when TikTok features are just missing for you, it just means that you have not updated to the latest version. Because of course, when some new feature comes out, you need to update it before you actually get that feature. We can see right here that I need to update my TikTok app. So all I do is click on update, and then I want to head over back into TikTok. You want to close it and reopen it, and that should fix the issue for you. Now the last thing you can actually do if TikTok features are still missing is heading over into your settings app just like this. And what you want to go ahead and do is go to general. And then you want to click on iPhone storage, and this can also be done over on an Android. If you're using an Android, you just want to search for TikTok over in the main screen right here. So you want to scroll down until you find TikTok. But yeah, on iPhone we need to click on general, iPhone storage, and then you want to find TikTok right here. Then on Android you will have just a clear cache button where you want to click on. However, on TikTok or on iPhone, for TikTok, what you need to do is click on offload app. You want to click on offload app, and it's basically going to reinstall your entire TikTok app. It will fix a lot of issues you are having with your iPhone and with TikTok, and then you want to just simply reopen it. The best part is that this will not lock you out of any of your accounts. You will still be logged in. It will basically hard reset the TikTok app, and this will, trust me, fix a lot of issues you have with your TikTok app. So I'd recommend doing this, and this will also bring new features back if that just glitched out or something. So it shouldn't take more than a few seconds for it to get back installed. Then you want to open it, and then that feature should be there. So if this video helped you, or if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.